below them. And what we're doing is we're actually going to do a water drop demonstration here today. So check this out. Oh, am I hearing cheering? I think I'm hearing cheering. Shout out to the UH-60s here. We've got crew Road 50 and 32 coming in here. Let's see what they've got in store for us. Get your cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen. We're hearing the radio calls. We're expecting a water drop soon. Notification from our air boss, ladies and gentlemen. Water drop this past. Stay tuned. Get your camera ready. Seriously, we got to share this on all the social media platforms too. There's the water drop, ladies and gentlemen, from your very own New Jersey Army and Air National Guard flying these UH-60 Blackhawks right overhead. We got another one in trail right now. So if you missed that first one, check this out. It's about to happen right overhead. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for our UH-60 water drop demo. Of course, the UH-60 manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. These things are 4-blade, twin-engine, and medium-lift utility helicopters. They entered service with the U.S. Army in 1979, and they were named Blackhawk after a Native American war leader. There have been many improvements with modified versions developed by the U.S. Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard, and they've served in combat during conflicts in Grenada, Panama, Iraq, Somalia, the Balkans, Afghanistan, and other areas in the Middle East. They're used for tactical transport of troops, electronic warfare, and aeromedical evacuation. There's even a VIP version that you may have heard of. It's known as UH-60N when transporting government officials, or Marine One if transporting the President of the United States. It's got many well-known missions. Of course, the movie, everybody's seen the movie Black Hawk Down, which was based on the 1993 raid in Mogadishu. Also, back in 2011, UH-60 was used in the operation to kill Osama bin Laden. The mission utilized a secret version of the UH-60 modified with low observable technology, which enabled it to evade Pakistani radar. It also had extra blades in the tail rotor and other noise reduction measures. Ladies and gentlemen, great times here at the Power in the Flying Air and Space Open House. We are having a heyday up here. I hope you have as much fun as we are up on the stage because it's just a blast. I love seeing all these aircraft being utilized for their mission, or at least simulated missions, we'll call it. So great things here today. And if this is inspiring you, knowing, well, it doesn't have to just be kids here. Ladies and gentlemen, adults can still join the military. They have higher age caps these days. So if this is inspiring you to make that move, to make that transition, start talking to recruiters, just talk to some of these service members out here. We got a bunch of folks in uniform, and I know that they'll be honest with you and give you their feedback on how they got where they are and how much they love it. So certainly reach out and talk to those folks. And coming up here in just a moment,